Hello, welcome to Theosophy in Wales. I'm Dave Marsland. Causes of immediate reincarnation. Theosophy postulates that there is sometimes a considerable gap between incarnations. Opinions vary, it's not an exact science. But between your incarnations, you need to dissolve the personality of the past life as you go through the spirit realms in Karmaloka. And also you need to realize the aspirations, or the spiritual aspirations of your past life as you move through David Charn. So you have plenty to do. You have plenty to do between lives. After David Charn, you choose the best life available, come back into incarnation. Now, immediate reincarnation is the exception. But there are two main causes. The first one is mental handicap. A mentally handicapped person, their life is really a false start. The karmic implications both for the person and the people around them is a big subject, and that's another matter. But the life itself is a false start, and they pick up where they would have been, choosing the best life, or they go to the best life available that they chose in their previous, at the end of their previous normal incarnation. So they pick up and move on straight away. The other example is definitely in infancy, really under the age of 5. And there's not very much to deal with. Your personality at the age of 5 is not, under the age of 5 is not fully developed. You probably don't have the spiritual aspirations to deal with. And there are many examples of children who remember being children, who've died young. These memories go actually after a little while, because the personality of the new life kicks in, and you get on with your life. You leave the old one behind. Also, I think it's significant as well that children remember being other children, that they didn't have much to dissolve, and it's probably they were immediately reincarnated, so they didn't dissolve what the sort of beginnings of the personality that they had in the previous life. They didn't dissolve. They still have it to some extent, but they soon pick up their current personality in the new life and move on. Now, there are examples of shorter times between lives, not immediate but shorter, and very spiritual people, very spiritually advanced people move through very quickly. They move through the after-death states very quickly. And extreme materialists move through very quickly, but the catch there is they probably don't learn anything, they don't make any spiritual progress. But if you're an extreme materialist and you have no spiritual aspirations, then you really skip through David Charn. You've nothing much to learn. Well, you can't draw the benefit from David Charn. You move through more quickly. So there we are. I think for most of us, we can expect to spend some time between lives.